Alright guys, welcome to the tour video. Here is the Explorer with the tent on it. You guys can see it's got the roof rack, it's got the rain guards, 5% tent all the way around except for the windshield, which is 50. So let me show you guys the inside. So here is the inside of it. It is a 2017 Ford Explorer Sport. It's got the moonroof, which let me turn on the car for you. Pretty cool. And it's got the moonroof, sunroof option. And then if you want to, keep it going back. Another part, it's got the back seat, it's got the all sport leather interior. It's got a third row back there as well. We just have it down for storage, trunk space. You've got some stuff in here, keys, 2 cup holders. Here is the what is this mode? This is mud rut mode, sand mode, and snow gravel grass mode. So it's got different modes. It's also got this button here for going down hills. Pretty cool. It's got a sport mode. It's got your standard Ford entertainment display, and this sunroof does come down. The moonroof does not, and as you guys can see, it is tinted like I said. Now I'm going to show you guys the trunk, which I think there's our apartment. So and so the trunk opens automatic. Here is the trunk. Now right now they're currently in but if I hit normal, they come up and you can put up the headrest, which is pretty cool. And then if I want to hit fold, what is this? Oh, it's just for one or the other. So if I hit fold, it only folds that side. If I do both and I do stow, and yeah, there you go. That is the Ford Explorer, guys. I hope you like it. For the third row, you got cup holders back here, speakers. You got a 12-volt plug right here. And then, yeah, pretty freaking awesome. And that is the tour, guys.